Hotpot in China usually means sharing one big pot. But at this chain, everyone gets their own pot. You can come alone or bring the family. The food is good. You get the whole set and it's only about $8 a person. Let's go. I'm Gracie. I've lived in Beijing for more than 20 years. This is Xiabu Xiabu. It's Xiabu Xiabu in Chinese, the sound the meat makes when you swish it in hot broth. I've been eating here since 2003. That's more than 20 years. Now they are all over China, more than 700 stores. The menu has no English, but don't worry, here's how to do it anyway. Scan the code on the table. Everything is in Chinese, but almost every item has a photo. The easiest way is to get a set. One tab covers the broth, the lamb, the vegetables, noodles, and the sauce. Pay with WeChat or Alipay. The sauce bar is self-serve. The Beijing way starts with sesame paste, and here it comes already seasoned. So ladle it into a bowl and you're ready. I added minced garlic and a little soy sauce. We each picked a broth. I went with the mushroom soup, which isn't spicy at all. My family got the spicy one, set to mild. Both are safe for a first-timer. The set comes out on a great tray. When the pot boils, start with the lamb. The slices are thin, so you swish them a few seconds and they're done. Dip it in the sauce. The lamb is tender and full of flavor. The corn comes out sweet. Really, I think everything was good. Inside, there's even a milk tea counter, their sister brand. We ordered the weekday solo set, 59 yuan each. So the two of us paid about 118 yuan, a bit over $8 a person, drink included. For that money, this table is hard to beat. So one person or the whole family, this place just works. This is the second stop in the series, the local chains in Beijing. If you want to come along, subscribe.